story named A Red Ball. Subscribe for more videos. Once upon a time, there was a big red dog called Lalu. It was his birthday. What color dog? Big red dog. His friend Nila gave him a red ball as a gift. He loved to play with this red ball all day long. Next day, Nila saw Lalu sitting with a sad face. He had lost his favorite red ball. Then Nila said, "Let us look for it in the park." They all went to the park and saw Pila playing with it. "There is my red ball." Lalu, Nila and Pila played with the red ball all day. They were very happy. Subscribe for more videos.